Hello, thank you for joining me today. I have a really neat treat. I'm going back to a house that I did the install on. I built this shower in 2004. I came back later in 2007 and did the floor. But 2004, 18 years ago, I built this shower, and I want to share it with you to show you how it still looks, see if it's held up. And this is just a real cool treat for myself to be able to have the opportunity to come back. This brings up a lot of memories, coming up on 20 years of being in business for myself. So let's check it out. So first off, we did this tile floor. We did the entryway, and it goes down the hallway to the bathroom, and then it goes all the way through the kitchen and on through here. But the tile floor is holding up great. So the tile floor was done in 2007, so a little bit after, but it is still in really good shape. I did a good job laying it, no lippage or anything, and the homeowner kept really good records of everything. So here's a picture of the entry design that I drew up. So that was the original design for the entryway. And then we also have the contract from the bathroom. So this is my contract. Basically says we did the shower stall, we did the vanity tops. I think there was 3 vanity tops. There's a tub deck, there's a tub surround, bathroom floor, and the price I charged in September of 2004, 18 years ago, was $3,400 for all of that work. And so let's go check it out. Let's go see. Oh, before we go there, there's also some pictures. Here is a picture of Steve. Here's a picture of Steve and I from 2004. Beth took some pictures. That's just so awesome. But that's where it all started. Me and Steve is still working with me. So let's go back and check out the bathrooms. So here is the bathroom. This is a 6x6 porcelain tile, and you can see the nice design, kind of a little step up staggered design that goes back into here. This little top, bullnose porcelain pieces, and I just did a video on how to drill the hole for this vessel sink. That's why I'm back here, but I am really amazed at how everything is held up. And so here's what y'all wanted to see, the shower, of course, right? So this shower, 2004, 18 years ago, what we have is a 1-coat float. We floated these walls, and this was over a hot mop shower pan. So here is our hot mop drain. I did a nice drain cut around there. Really happy to see I did a good job there. And then everything is just in really good shape. There's no mold or anything on the grout. One thing to notice, and I talk about this a lot, there is, we did not use caulking in the corners. Any of the changes of plane, it's all done with hard grout. You can see there is not a single crack anywhere in these walls, in the corners. Everything is still holding up just perfect. And so I don't see the reason to use any caulking or sealant, because it just gets nasty and moldy and has to be redone. Why not use grout if it's going to work? To me, it looks way better. But that's just my take, and that is up for debate. Of course, and I'd like to hear your take on it. So I'm really glad I got to share this project with you guys who may have been watching me for a while, and it's really neat. It has been for me to see kind of where it all started. And this has been an amazing journey. A lot of you guys have been on the ride with me, but it's just been incredible, and sometimes I can't believe how blessed that I've been and others around me that have helped me. The grace that's been upon us, it's just incredible. Every time I start to think about this, and I've been thinking about it a lot coming up on 20 years in business, how much help that I've had. I mean, I did a lot of hard work, I grinded, the hours I put in, but it wouldn't have been possible without a supportive wife, without a family, without my family to be motivated to do it for, all of the people that helped along the way, Michelle Turner, Jeff Albright, Mike Medina, the people that I looked up to who kind of took me under their wing and did whatever they could to help me, Steve Glazier, Dr. Glazier, everybody that was involved. And now it's you guys, now you're involved supporting what we do here. And I just hope that I can somehow reverberate that love and that care that's been given to me and help it flow out to you so that you can have the same things. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. And I love you. I love being your tile coach, and we'll see you on the next video.